Hi everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. It is finally winter, which also means it's almost a holiday season, which also means it's time to make some holiday treats. For today's episode, we'll be making an easy gingerbread loaf. So for our gingerbread loaf, we will need 3/4 cup of butter softened, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar or dark brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, then 1 tablespoon of molasses, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon ground nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. For our frosting that we'll be adding on top, we have some vanilla, 1 cup of confectioner sugar, and then we have 2 tablespoons of milk that I have left to the side so we can use for later. Start by heating up our stove, medium to low heat. 1 cup milk, sugar, 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, molasses, very sticky so be careful. We're going to wait until this melts and like I said before, it comes to a boil. Okay, so now that our mixture has begun to boil, we're going to turn off our heat, cool down before we put this into our batter. So now that we got our mixture cool, we're going to have in a large heat-safe bowl, we're going to pour in our 2 cups of flour, all of our spices, then we're going to add in our baking soda, and then we're going to add in our hot mixture. We're going to stir this until just combined, then we're going to pour in our mixture. Then we're going to spread it so it's at least a little even. We're going to put this into our preheated 350-degree oven. Then we're going to drop the temperature down to 325 and we're going to let it bake for an hour. While our loaf is baking, we are going to be making our vanilla icing to top it with. I'm going to measure out around 2 tablespoons of our milk, a little bit of vanilla, and then we're going to whisk this until this becomes a glaze-like consistency. Then we can put this in the fridge to thicken, and then we'll whisk it periodically so it doesn't harden. And then we can top it on our loaf when it finishes baking. So here is our finished gingerbread loaf out of the oven. I've let it cool for around 30 minutes to an hour. So I have my icing here, and I'm going to take my icing and I'm just going to pour it over. And then once now we got our frosting on, I'm going to take some sprinkles. And here is our finished gingerbread loaf. Thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!